Hello YouTube, I hope everybody's doing great. The weather is great, it's supposed to be winter and we have 17 degrees Celsius outside. I cannot believe it. I wonder if the winter is gonna come this year or next year. Anyway, I finished one order of two products of mine for Brian, and I wanted to show you in case you haven't seen it before, and before I ship it out today. So this is my ice cube clock. I call it ice cube because it's a cube, it's white, and it's cool. So anyway, here you have date, year, time, temperature, battery, and alarm indicator. And I wanted to show you the alarm, how to set it up, for example. So since it's 12:38, we push in again till we get to the alarm setting page. And here we can, what did I say, 48, 38. Let's make it to 40. You can also have it run by holding it, and then you can adjust all, meaning you have here LED only, sound only, the buzzer, text only if it's a silent alarm, or real silent, off, or all the above. And then you go into the codes, into the other settings, the alarm time, LED mode, display mode. And if you are interested, I will show you exactly more. You can here adjust the time mode, 12 hour, 24 hour, temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit, hourly alert, and set delay. And now you will see it in less than 20 seconds. It will go off. You have the indicator here, alarm on. You can also set the time but turn the alarm off. And you will see the magic happen. There you go. You have 4 indicators that are very bright, and you can set the alarm time, which is set to 60 seconds. If you want to get out of it, you just push it down or up and it stops the alarm. So this was the ice cube clock, and here we have probably the smallest, cutest PacMan game, plus more games, 4 in total. You have Flappy Bird, Breakout game, and the Octopus game, which is very hard to play. So let me show you the Pac-Man. You push in to select it, push in again, and then you get, let me make sure it doesn't oops, I got eaten already, didn't pay attention. So anyway, ready, you can move up here. I got eaten again. So anyway, this is it. If you want to see it in particular, I will make a longer video. And you can eat what are those ghosts? And I'm dead again. So anyway, this is the Pac-Man game, and the other ones you can of course figure out. If you want to go back to the menu, push left, and then you can select the other ones. I really suck at Flappy Bird, not Floppy Bird. Let's see if I can see. Anyway, so this is my OLED case. It has a battery, of course, the ESP8266 chip, and here you can charge it via micro USB. So if you're interested in any of those, you can, or have any questions, please do leave them in the comments. I also want to thank my Patreons and everybody that supports me by visiting my Banggood affiliate links or buying something from my Tindy store like Brian did. And this is it. I want to keep it short this time. Thanks for watching and take care, everybody.